toy, just in case you never know. Hey, just in case you never know. Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are going to be doing a haul video. Woo! I spent mad money on Pretty Little Thing, and girl, and Forever 21. So we're just gonna get right on into it. Thumbnail. And honestly, the Pretty Little Thing is gonna be an unboxing because I haven't even opened the package yet. So it's gonna be an unboxing and a try-on haul for y'all. So yeah, let's just get right on into it. But before we do, if this is your first time seeing my face, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Come to the Toy fam. You guys are all welcome here. And yeah, help a new YouTuber out. I'm on the road to 100 subscribers, so if you guys could subscribe, that would really help me. Just hop right on into the video. All right, so I'm gonna start with Pretty Little Thing. Like I said, I spent over, I think a good amount. I really don't remember. We'll see the receipt in the bag, so I'm gonna open it. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Let me stop. But I got a lot of goodies in here, guys. I'm about to see how much I spent. I'm about to tell y'all right now. This don't show the price. Well, that's cool. So y'all won't really know how much I spent, but just know I spent a bag. It wasn't a bag, but it was a pretty big bag. All right, so you want to just get right on. I'm gonna throw it out. I'm scared. Maybe I shouldn't have done that, but it's fine. In total, I have seven items to show y'all from Pretty Little Thing. The first item we have is a hoodie, and it says boyfriend. I'm gonna take it out of the bag and show y'all, but it says boyfriend season on it, and I think it's so cute. So I got this hoodie in a medium, and honestly, I think that's so cute because I have a boyfriend, and yeah, I don't know, but I think this is real cute. And if y'all want to see me do videos with my boyfriend, comment videos that we can do down below. But yeah, so I just thought this would be cute, you know, just a little cute picture to take with him with the hoodie on, same boyfriend season. And yeah, I'm gonna try it on for y'all, show y'all, but it's so cute. It's I like my hoodies to fit a little bit oversized, that's why I got a medium. Next item we have is another hoodie. I was just stocking up on hoodies because I barely have hoodies like that, so I got the Pretty Little Thing hoodie, also in a medium as well. You can see, and I got it in this nice, like I'm trying to think of the ice cream that's this color. If y'all know what I'm talking about, comment below because I'm forgetting right now. But the ice cream, like, that's this color, but it's so cute. I love this type of orange. It's like a little faded orange, and honestly I just love bright colors. And yeah, it just says Pretty Little Thing on it. Hopefully y'all can see, but it just says Pretty Little Thing. And yeah, it's so cute. It has a little metal on the strings. I don't really, the other one did not have the metal on the strings, but this one does. It's real cute, real fire, and y'all will see me try it on, period. It's like that ice cream color, sherbet, I think it is. Is it sherbet orange? I don't know, but cute. So the next item I have is a dress. It's called the Shaped Black Jersey Cutout Long Sleeve Midi Dress, and I got this in a size 12 because sometimes the little thing goes by numbers. So you'll just have to like look on the site and they'll tell you, like, you know, your hip size and stuff, your boob size, and they'll tell you what size you are, okay? So this is a dress. I think it's real cute. Has a little cutout by the boob area. Nothing too crazy though. And it's a midi dress, so it's pretty long. I think it's gonna look fire. It's gonna look fire on me, period. So yeah, I'm about to go try it on and show y'all. Hopefully it hugs me. It hugs my curves and stuff. The item we have is gonna be 2 things. So I'm gonna show y'all the jeans and the bodysuit. So I have 2 bodysuits, 1 pair of jeans. So I'm gonna just show y'all the jeans first. These are called Dark Wash Baggy Pocket Detail Jean in a size 14. So these are how they look. They just look real cute, real baggy. You feel me? I love that little baggy look. I like. So you get to see how wide these pant legs are, bro. Damn, it's about to be baggy as hell. Yeah. And then I'm gonna show y'all the bodysuits that I have that I'm gonna be pairing with this jean, basically. So we have the multi long sleeve high neck mesh tie-dye bodysuit in a 12. So it looks like this. It's just real cute. Real summery too. So that's how it looks. It's very see-through, so wear something under it for sure. And I have the pink acetate. I hope that's how you say that. Acetate Slinky scoop neck long sleeve bodysuit in a 12 also. And this is how this looks. Honestly, I think this is so cute. It gives me like elegante vibes, period. So yeah, I love this. And last but not least, we have Forever 21, and I just got this simple outfit. I mean, it's not really simple per se, but I mean, I think it's a real cute outfit. So first I'm gonna show y'all the jeans. These are called the denim pant long jeans, and I got them in a 30. And these are basically like bell bottoms, again with the wide leg. It has a little slit though for style, you feel me? It's not a regular wide leg jean. It's not a regular wide leg jean. It has a split or a slit. I said a split. Yeah, so it just gives you a nice little cute style to it. And I got this in a 30. And yeah, and I got a top to go with it. So I got this white bodysuit. Let me tell you what it's called. It's called the knit bodysuit in ivory. Oh, I said white ivory. And it's a medium. And yeah, I just realized I did not say the prices of these items, but I will put all the prices and stuff down below, guys, so y'all know. But yeah, so I'm gonna just pair these two together. It's gonna be my last outfit, so hope y'all enjoy these together. That's the end of my haul. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. My next video. Okay, video.